Hello, Varshal here, and this saltwater reef tank looks so much better now. Let me show you. So, this is my saltwater reef tank, and with two clownfish. If you have any suggestions for what I should name them, put them in the comments down below. This tank has been running for almost a year now. People who have been subscribed to this channel since then would know that for a long period this tank did not have any fish. All it had is this little crab for this whole tank all to himself. That's Andy, by the way. That's the only thing I have named in this. But I didn't do an update on this tank since a long time, and as you can see, I got two clownfish. Uh, and I still don't know what to name them, but because of their amazing personality, I do know I definitely have to. I also have two other hermit crabs. This like this small one. Uh, the other one should be there somewhere. I think in the back right now. And that sea urchin as well as six turbo snails like this. So up till just really recently, and by that time in just until 1 hour ago, this tank looked like this. Yeah, the anemone popped a lot, but the problem with that was everything else didn't look that nice because, well, it's just blue lights. These are just basic 1000 rupee each blue lights, link in the description. uh, but yeah, they can keep this anemone alive but not thriving, and everything looked like just smeared in blue. That didn't look nice at all until I changed the light to this. Look at that. So yeah, the scape I have in this tank is really similar to what I had before, except I got this piece of rock and I got some random pieces of rocks. Will just randomly put here. It looks pretty natural to me. If you're not familiar with, well, if you're not from India, well, this tank doesn't have any corals because, well, they're banned in India. Corals can actually get you in over 10 years jail with around 25,000 rupees in, well, fines. So that's a lot of money plus a lot of jail time, and it's illegal, and I don't know how to do it since my main goal of this channel and my entire fish room is to promote conservation, even though this currently looks horrible right now. Uh, why? Well, this tank, you can't see anything, but there's a tank right there in front. But that tank has a crack in it, and until it gets fixed, everything will be in a mess. If you still don't understand, well, watch this video here. But yeah, my favorite aspect of this tank is the pair of clownfish. I do want to add more fish and more anemones. I recently got a good deal with some sunburst anemones, and I will be adding one of a sunburst anemone soon. Uh, so I'm going to just feed them. That's the cabinet which is in a mess right now, so I'm going to make sure that it's dark. But yeah, what I feed it is just Hikari Marine S. It's a good formula of pellets for small fish for reef tank. And yeah, it's the best high quality food I could find. I also, well, feed a DIY fish food. That's what I feed mostly, but not today since I don't know how to go to the fridge and get it. So I just feed a few pellets, around 3 pellets each, uh, to this all these fish, and I do feed my DIY fish food to the anemone. My DIY fish food is basically just a lot of shrimp chopped up with squid and some uh, nori algae. Look at him eating. Or this is a her actually. The way you see males and females in clownfish, the smaller one, which usually stays in the anemone, is actually the male. The bigger one, which actually well forges like what you just saw right now, is the female. I actually had other pair of clownfish, well, other half pair. This guy I had from around over 4 months now, but this guy only around 1 month. That's because I actually got two clownfish at first. One was this guy, and the other was the other clownfish. uh, I don't know if I even made a video on him, but yeah, this clownfish actually survived. The other one died. I don't know why, but one day I just came here and I saw all my crabs eating one fish right here, but it's impossible for the crabs to have eaten the clownfish, so it must have been weak. I got this new clownfish a month ago, and she is doing really well. I want to feed him a bit more, but probably shouldn't since it will cause algae and all. By the way, this whole tank was made under $200, which is really cheap. And yeah, by the way, here's the thing, new aquariums have come. I'm not going to talk about a lot right now, but yeah, these are three aquariums, one, two, and three, and two more are coming really soon, coming in a really close video. By the way, I just stuck some double tape onto these really cheap lights, link in the description, but and hid all these cards here and kept it there. By the way, you won't see that once these tanks are completed because I'll have a background. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you liked this tank. It's well one of my absolutely favorite tanks aside from my well annoying turtle. But yeah, uh, name suggestions in the comments and link in the description for everything I used in this tank. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe because, well, a huge tank is coming this one, and you wouldn't want to miss out on that. Until the next time, peace out.